guys, this is Ronke here from Nigerian. I'm so excited. So over the past several months, I'm sure a lot of you have heard about our dress down plan, which is a rice-based Nigerian meal plan for weight loss. We've had thousands, literally thousands of participants from several countries, and the feedbacks have been incredible. People have lost everything from 10 kg to 12. I mean, yeah, it's been amazing so far. So we've been collecting feedback over this past few months, and based on the feedback that we've collected, we are starting a new program. It's built on the success of the Dress Down program. We're calling it Dress Down Better. So this program, instead of 4 weeks, is actually 3 weeks. So you're still able to drop your dress size and lose a lot of weight, and we've actually cleaned it up so that you're able to reach that goal faster. It's incredible. Based on the feedback that we had, people missed beans, which we didn't have on the plan. So we've actually really modified the plan in that we've taken out the things that people didn't like, and we've introduced some things that people were craving. So on this new plan, there's bread, there's beans and dodo, just to name a few. We've left some of the favorite recipes there as well, so you still have your jollof, you still have your beef sauce, which are really popular recipes. Some of the smoothies we've changed as well. We're still guaranteeing that you're going to drop your dress size, but this time you're going to do it in 3 weeks instead of 4. If you've done it before, do it again. You know it works, you know it's an incredible plan, you know there are amazing recipes on it, and this time we're making it even better. So I really do hope that you join the new Dress Down Better plan over the next 3 weeks.